Hello, everyone. I know it's been a while since I've recorded a video for us, so I figured I'd go ahead and record one. I know that we've had some students that were having a little bit of trouble with typing on the Google Slides, and I worked with a student today, and we figured out that maybe some of us might not know what to do to be able to get onto the sheet to be able to type into it. So, our next article is called The League of Extraordinary Losers, and it's very similar to like Never Giving Up and celebrities that have had some pretty rough goings and then still have come out, on top in the end. And so you guys are going to be reading about that in the article, and then you are going to complete this worksheet. The article should start off with video first, and then it will go into the article, and you can go through and read it or have it read to you. But when you get into the assignments, your assignment's going to come up looking like this, what's on my screen right now, and it's very small. So I could understand you're like, I can't even see the worksheet. I don't understand, like how am I supposed to type on this? Um, I didn't know if some of us knew that you can actually go up to the toolbar up here, and I apologize, my whole toolbar does not show up in the screenshot because it's just the way that this video is set up. So you can go up to this magnifying glass with the plus sign and hit it and go to 100, and it'll pop your screen up really close. Then you can go right underneath of the question. You can click on the text box, and this blue box will come up around it and show you that that's where you can start typing. So you should be able to double click, well, click and they get the blue box to show up first before starting to type. So it doesn't automatically start picking up your typing until you double click on it. So double click on the box underneath of the question, and then double click inside the box once that blue box comes up, and you should see this blinking black bar that you're seeing right now. And then you can just type, what you want to type inside there, and then move on to the next question. Do the same thing. You're going to click on the box first, and then double click in the blue box where it has the blinking so that you know that you can start typing. I don't know if that's going to solve everybody's problem, but I figured at least I'd show you this because it might help some of you guys. And then from there, you just, after you're done with that, you hit the turn in button to me. I'll grade it and send it back your way. If you do have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm here for you guys. I don't mind giving you a call. We can walk, actually go through it together on the computer, where you can see me getting, into the system with you, not, well, face to face, but you'll be able to see me working with you and clicking on different things, and we can kind of walk through it together if you're still having trouble. Um, so reach out to me. Also, Read 180, I know has been causing some issues with some people. Reach out to me if it is so that I can figure out what I need to do on my end to help you out the best way that I can. So I miss you all very much and really wish that we could be together. This is not how I planned, any year to ever be. And let's hope that we can get back to normal next school year, is my hope. So, all right. Take care of yourselves. Stay healthy. I miss you all. Bye bye.